Join Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
About 12 parameters are there, 12 to 14 parameters are there. The quality of water in the beach, then there's a great water treatment plant, then accessibility to the beach, both for handicaps as well as for normal people. No dogs, buffaloes will be in that zone. If any of the parameters is not within the limits as provided by the blue flag certification, then the blue flag is lowered down and the international community immediately comes to know that on this beach something is wrong, and only after rectification of that parameter and bring it to that level, only then the blue flag is again hosted on the beach. By far and large, we have selected Sirdam, and the villages of Sirdam or any other people from the area should not have any problem, because the entire beach is not going to be a blue flag beach. Only a part of it, the fishermen, if any over there, will not be affected. If they are, their fishing activities will not be affected. This your water sports also will not get affected, because it's going to be only a small stretch, about 200 meters or 300 meters stretch of the beach, which will be confining itself to these parameters. In fact, we had earlier identified Miramar Beach as to be certified as a blue flag beach, but then it was challenged by one person from Goa, and that's the reason why we had to drop it. In fact, we want all the beaches of Goa to be blue flag beaches. If you please ask me about it. We have identified Palolem, Agonda also, Welsam area, Paina area. All these beaches we have identified in South Goa, and of course in North Goa, Kalangut, Kandoling, Mandre and Morjim.